Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by entering edit mode with tab, then switch to vertex select so you target points, not edges or faces. Once done, use box select B or lasso to capture the exact vertex or small group. Make sure your selection is precise because nearby geometry can be affected. If vertices are occluded, toggle X-ray or use Alt+Z to see through the mesh. With the intended vertices highlighted, you're ready to perform the deletion steps safely and predictably. You press X or delete and pick vertices to remove points and any connected edges/faces. This is the quickest option. Alternatively, choose dissolve vertices when you want to remove a vertex but keep surrounding faces by collapsing geometry. This maintains surface flow. If you need to pull geometry apart instead, use Rip V to split the mesh or P to separate selected parts into a new object. Make sure to preview the result. Different choices change topology and shading. Once deletion is complete, inspect the mesh for holes or non-manifold edges. You select all by trait non-manifold to find issues. If surfaces flip or look dark, recalculate normals with Shift+N or flip manually in the normals menu. To fill a hole, select surrounding edges and press F. If something breaks, immediately undo with Ctrl+Z and try dissolve instead of delete, or merge nearby vertices. These steps keep topology clean and prevent shading or modifier problems later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.